is Dave. Dave is another banking and cash advance app, which of course you can actually use to get a quick cash advance till your payday. And you can see this is actually amazing because Dave get over 10 million downloads on Google Play Store only, not even talking about Apple App Store. So you can see 10 million downloads so far. The overall rating is 4.4 rating, and total review on this particular app is 500, over 500,000, like 500,000 reviews. This is quite amazing. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see the snapshot from Dave. So the banking app made for you. This is quite amazing. Manage your money with product designed to make finance easier. You can get up to $500 extra cash in advance by downloading the app from Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or you can also visit their website. And you can also enjoy free yourself from hidden fees with a Dave spending account. No overdraft fee, no minimum deposit fee, no ATM fee at over 37,000 money pass ATM nationwide. You can also get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposits from the Dave app. You can also personalize your savings with goals, earn more money with side also, just like some other side cash advance app that also offer um a side also inside the app where you can actually earn money extra inside the app. And if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see about Dave. They also provide more details about them. So if you read through, you're gonna see how the app works and how you can also be able to get paid from the app. And the app was also updated on the May 3, 2024. So this week, which is quite really amazing. So if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see the review that people are actually dropping about Dave app as well. From this particular one right here, this is 3-star rating. You can see 3-star, I think, is fair. They charge fee to transfer your own money from checking to savings in their own app, even if it's within seconds. My card paid transactions religiously on reoccurring transaction to the same exact place. It's embarrassing. Online and in person. Charge for every move a good little percentage. The good thing that the security is solid and the ramp up is pretty often and then pretty nice when you broke. That's crazy. So you can see right there, this review actually helped 7 people so far. So they've also provide a response to that particular review. And if you also scroll down, you're gonna see another review from Leslie. So that's 1-star rating. I thought the purpose of Dave is to help avoid bank overdraft fee. I did not have the fund in my bank account to settle my advance when you took it, and it cost me $90 in overdraft fee, $30 for each transaction, 25 to $25, $1, $25 again. My pay came the next day. I have tried over and over to speak with someone about this, but this app has only chatbot for support. This has never happened before until now. Dave has been wonderful. Update. Okay, 1 month later, it happened again and no contact. $30 for $1. That's not making. That's not. I don't know. So they provide response to that particular review, and you can see what their response is. So you can see from another one from Rennie. So this 5-star rating, the app is a lifesaver. So that's exactly what I'm saying. Like not all the reviews will actually go the same way. Some people will actually have a good experience when they're trying out something, and some will have a bad, kind of like a small bad experience. So it all depends on what you're actually facing at that moment. So and if an app actually did bad for you at the point, that doesn't mean that the app is totally wrong, or maybe they're not gonna uh do much better next time. You understand? So that is how